The e-learning industry is booming, worth over $400 billion and growing fast. And here's the cool part. Gamified platforms, the ones that make learning feel like a game, are cashing in big time. Apps like Duolingo make hundreds of millions each year just by making learning fun. Now imagine this, you create your own platform, something fresh and exciting, and turn it into a 6 or even 7-figure business. Sounds like a win-win, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to show you how to turn education into a game and make serious money while you're at it. Let's kick things off with a question. What's the last thing you learned? Think about how you learned it. Was it boring, traditional, or was it something fun and engaging? If it was fun, there's a good chance it was gamified. Why? Because gamification works. Now, before I explain the concept of gamification and how you can make money with this amazing method, please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon because it really helps my channel to grow. Let's get into it. What is gamified learning and its future? Gamification combines education with game elements like points, rewards, and challenges, and it's everywhere. Apps like Duolingo, platforms like Kahoot, and even fitness apps like Fitbit use gamification to keep people engaged. Here's why it's so effective. 1. Engagement skyrockets. Studies show that gamified learning can improve retention rates by up to 60%. 2. It's inclusive. Everyone learns better when it's fun, kids, adults, professionals, you name it. 3. It's profitable. The global gamification market is expected to hit $30 billion by 2025. That's a huge pie, and you can grab your slice. So, how do you get started? It's easy, and I am here to help you with this. Here are 3 killer ideas to inspire your journey. Idea number 1. Build a trivia-based platform. Let's start with something classic, trivia. Imagine creating a platform where users unlock new levels of knowledge through fun quizzes. It's like hosting a game show, but digital and global. Example concept, a history trivia app. Players might start with ancient civilizations and move through levels like the Renaissance or the Industrial Revolution. Correct answers earn them coins, which they can use to unlock secret levels or bonus content. Monetization ideas. Premium memberships for exclusive trivia categories, in-app purchases for hints or skips, sponsorships from educational brands. Tip: make it social. Allow players to challenge friends or participate in tournaments. People love competing, especially when bragging rights are on the line. Idea number 2. Gamify language learning. Language learning apps are some of the most popular examples of gamification. Duolingo made it mainstream, but there's still room for creative twists. Niche ideas. Focus on lesser-known languages, like Swahili or Mari. Offer cultural immersion games, where users navigate real-world scenarios, like ordering food in Paris or asking for directions in Tokyo. Create a story-driven app, where users progress through an adventure while learning vocabulary and grammar. How to earn money. Subscription plans for advanced features or offline access. Partner with schools or language institutes for B2B revenue. Sell merch or books related to the language. There are many other strategies to make money with this idea, but I only mentioned the 3 best methods here. Idea number 3. Teach coding through game development. Coding is a high-demand skill, but let's face it, it can be intimidating. What if learning to code was as fun as playing Minecraft or Roblox? How it works. Beginners start with simple coding exercises, like designing characters or building basic game levels. As they progress, they unlock more advanced challenges, eventually creating their own games. Include a sandbox mode where users can experiment freely. Pro tip: make this platform kid-friendly. Parents are always looking for educational tools for their children, and coding is a big selling point. The big picture. Steps to build your platform. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step roadmap. 1. Choose your niche. Pick a subject you're passionate about. It could be history, science, coding, or even something niche like astronomy or gardening. 2. Define your gamified elements. Gamification isn't just about throwing in some points or badges. You need to create a system that keeps users hooked. Ask yourself, how will users progress? What rewards will they earn? Can they compete with friends or unlock achievements? 3. Build the platform. You don't need to be a coding wizard to start. Here are some tools to help. No-code platforms. Tools like Bubble or Adalo let you build apps without coding. Game engines. Unity or Unreal Engine are perfect for more advanced projects. Online course platforms. If you're creating courses, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific are great starting points. 4. Test and improve. Launch a beta version and gather feedback. What do users love? What frustrates them? Use this data to refine your platform. 5. Market like a pro. This is where the magic happens. Use social media, email marketing, and partnerships to spread the word. Offer free trials to get people hooked, then upsell them on premium features. How much can you earn? Let's talk numbers, because, let's be honest, that's what you're here for. The earning potential of gamified platforms is massive. Trivia platforms, apps like QuizUp generated millions through ads and in-app purchases. Language learning, Duolingo's 2022 revenue? Over $300 million. Coding platforms, 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 and similar platforms make thousands monthly through subscriptions. Even if you capture a tiny fraction of the market, you could be looking at a solid income stream. What makes a platform successful? To make your platform stand out, focus on these key elements. 1. User experience. Make it intuitive and fun. If it's clunky, users will bounce. 2. Community building. People stick around when they feel part of a group. Add forums, leaderboards, or live challenges. 3. Continuous updates. Keep adding fresh content to keep users engaged, overcoming challenges. Building a gamified platform isn't without hurdles. Here's how to tackle common issues. Technical skills. Use no-code tools or hire freelancers on platforms like Upwork. Funding. Start small, then reinvest your profits. Crowdfunding is another option if your idea is unique. Competition. Differentiate yourself with a unique twist or niche focus. Real-life success stories. Let's look at a few real-life examples to inspire you. 1. Duolingo. The app started with a simple idea, gamify language learning, and now boasts over 500 million users. 2. Kahoot. A gamified quiz platform used in schools worldwide, generating over $100 million annually. 3. 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭. This platform teaches kids to code through RPG-style games. These success stories prove that there's room for innovation in this space. Why you should start now. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Today. The e-learning industry is growing fast, and gamification is at the forefront of this trend. The longer you wait, the more saturated the market becomes. Your action plan. Let's recap what you need to do. 1. Choose your niche and audience. 2. Brainstorm gamification elements that will keep users hooked. 3. Build your platform using available tools. 4. Launch, market, and scale your idea. Let's make this happen. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button and share this with someone who's ready to create the next big thing in education. Together, we can revolutionize the way people learn and make some serious cash while doing it. And remember, the future of education is in your hands. Let's gamify it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.